Unveil Japan's dental hygiene challenges. Even young women in Japan have foul breath. Renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, opulent culture, and technological prowess, Japan mesmerizes the world with its singular amalgamation of antiquity and modernity. However, Japan's dental care system isn't as stringent as in Western countries. Regular dental checkups are uncommon, and even young women don't floss. Some older people never even receive proper dental care in their youth. This has led to widespread issues like tooth decay and bad breath. Smoking, poor flossing habits, and lack of dental cleanings result in common halitosis, which is not the exception for young women in Japan. You might notice this a lot when people talk in closed spaces like trains or offices. National health insurance covers dental treatment, but it encourages cheaper materials instead of high-quality procedures. Many people have metal fillings or poorly maintained crowns that contribute to bad breath. In Southeast Asia, such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand, people generally use strong deodorants and perfumes due to the hot climate. Dental hygiene awareness is also higher, especially in Singapore. In Europe and the US, deodorants and dental care are taken more seriously, but some Westerners, especially in Europe, also have hygiene issues in different ways, such as not showering daily. Korea has high beauty and hygiene standards, so deodorant and dental care are prioritized. In contrast, China historically had worse hygiene but has improved significantly in recent years. While Japan is often associated with an absence of body odor, there are unspoken truths about hygiene practices, particularly among women. Some Japanese women experience strong odors in the genital area due to various factors. One significant reason is the lack of proper washing. Many women in Japan avoid using soap in the genital area, believing it disrupts the natural pH balance. While this is true to some extent, some take it too far and only rinse with water, leading to bacterial buildup and odor. Additionally, some women do not wash thoroughly or neglect folds of skin where sweat and bacteria accumulate. This can exacerbate odors, especially in the genital area. Another contributing factor is wearing the same underwear for too long. Some women do not change their underwear daily or wear the same pair for extended periods, particularly at home. Tight or non-breathable fabrics, such as synthetic lace, can trap moisture and sweat, making odors worse. Poor menstrual hygiene is another issue. Some women do not change pads or tampons often enough, creating a humid environment that, combined with menstrual blood, produces a strong smell. Additionally, some use scented pads, which can mix with natural odors and intensify them instead of masking them. Diet and digestive issues also play a role. A high-carb, low-protein diet can cause imbalances in gut bacteria, leading to stronger body odors overall. Some Japanese women suffer from constipation, which can cause a lingering odor in the lower body. Not shaving or trimming pubic hair is another factor. Thick pubic hair traps sweat and bacteria, increasing odor, especially in summer. In Japan, many women do not shave or trim their pubic hair, unlike in Korea or the US, where grooming is more common. The rare use of feminine hygiene products is also a contributing factor. Unlike in Korea or the West, feminine wipes or pH-balanced washes are not widely used in Japan. Some women do not refresh themselves throughout the day, leading to odors that build up. When comparing Japan to other countries, Korean women are very strict about hygiene and often use feminine washes, wipes, and hair removal, reducing odors. In Southeast Asia, hotter climates force women to wash more often, but some still struggle with sweat-related odor. In Western countries, more women use hygiene products, but some avoid washing too much to preserve natural bacteria. So why don't Japanese women notice these odors? One reason is that nobody tells them. Japanese society avoids confrontation, so even if a woman has a strong smell, nobody says anything. They might think it's normal if they've smelled that way for years. Additionally, their partners might not complain directly even if they gossip about it. Despite Japan's prodigious advancements in technology and healthcare, otolaryngology health presents a paradoxical juxtaposition. Numerous young Japanese women contend with substantial challenges in ENT health, manifesting issues such as chronic halitosis, nasal congestion, and auditory impairments. Several determinants contribute to this phenomenon. A salient factor is the traditional Japanese diet, which frequently encompasses saccharine snacks and beverages. The consumption of these sugary indulgences, coupled with a diminished emphasis on regular ENT examinations, exacerbates the risk of ENT issues. Another contributory factor is the perception of ENT care. In Japan, ophthalmological consultations are often perceived as a reactive measure, sought only when an issue manifests, rather than a prophylactic practice. This approach diverges from countries where regular ENT checkups are inculcated from a tender age. Furthermore, the utilization of proper ophthalmological care practices, such as avoiding the overuse of nasal sprays, is not as pervasive in Japan as in other developed nations. This disparity in ENT care can also elucidate the elevated prevalence of ENT issues observed in Japan. Hair care constitutes a pivotal facet of Japanese culture, with an extraordinary emphasis placed on coiffures and presentation. The meticulous attention to detail in hairstyling transcends mere aesthetics, reflecting profound cultural values. In Japan, hair is often perceived as an extension of one's identity and personality, rendering its care and presentation a matter of personal pride and societal respect. However, beneath the meticulously styled exteriors lie nuances in hair hygiene practices that might astonish some. These practices are deeply entrenched in tradition and have evolved over centuries, influenced by myriad factors including climate, lifestyle, and historical events. One such practice is the less frequent washing of hair compared to other cultures. This might appear unconventional to those accustomed to quotidian hair washing routines, but it is a well-considered approach in Japan. The rationale is to maintain the natural equilibrium of oils in the hair and scalp, which can be disrupted by frequent washing. While daily hair washing is prevalent in many Western countries, some Japanese individuals wash their hair every other day, or even less frequently. This practice is not merely about convenience, but is also believed to contribute to healthier hair in the long term. By allowing the scalp to retain its natural oils, the hair remains moisturized and less susceptible to damage. This divergence stems from cultural norms and beliefs about hair health, with some positing that frequent washing can strip the hair of its natural oils. These oils are indispensable for maintaining the hair's luster and strength. In fact, traditional Japanese hair care often involves the use of natural oils and herbal treatments to nourish the hair. Additionally, the utilization of dry shampoo, a product designed to absorb excess oil and dirt between washes, is gaining traction in Japan. This modern solution offers a convenient method to keep hair looking fresh without the necessity for frequent washing. Dry shampoo can be particularly advantageous for those with hectic lifestyles or during the colder months when washing hair daily can be less practical. While dry shampoo can be a convenient alternative, overuse can lead to product buildup on the scalp, potentially causing irritation and dryness. It is imperative to use these products in moderation and to ensure that the scalp is thoroughly cleansed during regular washes to avert any adverse effects. Another factor is the technique of shampooing. In Japan, the process of washing hair is often regarded as a ritual, with specific techniques to ensure the hair and scalp are properly cleansed. This includes massaging the scalp to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. While this might seem straightforward, there are cultural differences in how thoroughly hair is rinsed. In Japan, great care is taken to ensure that all shampoo and conditioner residues are completely washed out. This thorough rinsing helps to prevent any buildup that could weigh the hair down or cause scalp issues. Insufficient rinsing can lead to product buildup, leaving the hair looking lackluster and potentially contributing to scalp issues. This is why the final rinse is often given extra attention, ensuring that the hair is left clean and free of any residues. By comprehending these cultural nuances, we can appreciate the depth and complexity of Japanese hair care practices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into Japan's hidden secrets.